Feeling lost in translation while browsing Amazon? Let's fix that and personalize your shopping experience by changing your language settings. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Make sure you are logged into your Amazon account. Locate the Account and Lists menu, usually found at the top right of the screen. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, look for and click on Account. This will take you to your account settings page. Now you're on your account settings page. Scroll down, or look for a setting titled Language or Country and Language. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your region, but it will be related to language preferences. Click it to proceed. Once you click on the option, you'll be presented with a list of available languages. Choose your preferred language from the list. After selecting your desired language, you'll typically see a button labeled Save Changes, Update Language, or something similar. Click that button to apply your new language settings. And there you have it. Amazon should now display its content, product information, navigation, and customer support in your chosen language. Enjoy your personalized shopping experience. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful Amazon tips.